It all started with 3 machines. Now I owned 3 factories.
Hi, I'm Jonas from Doing History. Today's topic, capital. In economic history, capital means more than money. It also includes everything used for production: machines, factory buildings, raw materials, transport. During industrialisation, money and capital were crucial. Large factories, railways and machines required huge investment. Banks provided money to permit the creation of capital to build production and generate profit. Whoever owned capital held economic power. Whoever owned none usually had to sell their labour. That conflict between capital owners and wage workers became central to the social question and the labour movement.